Hello and welcome to a new Data Salmon video. This is the second video on the channel, and this time the topic will be Power Query. So I will be sharing with you a very useful function that helps you remove a range of text from either from the beginning or the end or the middle of a text. So we will be seeing 4 use cases. Two use cases for removing text from the beginning and the end of a text value, and two other cases are removing the text from the beginning or the end of a full column of text, so all the values in a column. So let's start with the text value. So the function is text remove range, and as you can see here, we can specify the text to which we would like to remove the characters. We can specify the starting position and the number of characters we want to remove. So in this case, the starting position is 0, so we are starting from the beginning of the text and we are removing 2 characters. So if I apply this formula, okay, having issues showing the text, the result, don't know why. Okay, so as you can see, the 2 first characters have been removed, and we are left with the rest of the text. So if I change the starting position to 1, you will see it will skip the first character and remove the next 2 characters and leave the rest of the text. So it's very powerful. Now we can use the same function to remove the last 2 characters of a text. So same function, so the text is the same one here, and the number of characters we would like to remove is the same, 2 characters. We are just replacing the starting position with the dynamic formula here that gets the length of the text and subtracts 2 values. This gives us the starting position, and with this we are able to remove the last 2 characters of any text. As you can see here in the result, the last 2 characters were removed. Okay, so now let's see how we can apply this transformation to all the values of a column in Power BI table in Power Query. Okay, so let's start with removing the first characters. So we have here a list of countries, and we would like to remove the first characters. So we will apply exactly the same formula, but this time to each value in this column. So the formula will be like this. So we will apply first a table transform columns function. We will take the previous step. So in this case, it will be the previous step is remove duplicates. The column name in which we would like to apply this is called country in our case, and for each value inside this column, we are removing the first 2 characters. Okay, so if I type apply here, you can see here that the first 2 characters were removed for each value in this column. And similarly, we can apply this formula to remove the last 2 characters. The last 2 characters for all the values in a given column. So we can see how to do this. So if I go back here, so I have the list of countries, and yeah, basically again the same approach. So we take the previous step, okay, and then for each value of the country column, for each value uh, we remove the last two characters. So again, you can see here that we are looking for the length of the text of each in each row, subtracting the number of characters we would like to remove, and then applying the character removal, so two characters. Okay, if I click on enter here, you can see here that it removes the last characters we specified for each country. If we would like to remove the last three characters, so we can just replace here -2 by -3, and also here remove 3 characters, and this removes the last 3 characters, and so on and so forth. So it's a very powerful it's a very powerful function, text remove range, and it can be used in different scenarios. So hopefully this was useful for you, and looking forward to share with you more Power BI discoveries. Thank you.